Hello our sweet subscribers and viewers. Welcome to Jubbies. Disclaimer. The characters are extremely cute and dangerous for your heart. You may fall in love. The content presented in this video are purely made for entertainment purpose. For any kind of personalized or named videos, mail us. We will be happy to serve you. Gomu, where is today's video? I am waiting to see both of us on YouTube today. Peachu, you know na that our creator was on a sick leave from office as she was unwell. So she was able to make regular videos since the past 3-4 days. But she has rejoined her work today na, that is why maybe she is not able to upload the video. I am also waiting for her, but I don't know she will be able to upload today or not. Oh, then too it's great. Yeah, I also heard from her that she is already preparing for tomorrow's video. So we can expect tomorrow's video for sure. But Gomu, do you know that all the AdSense money she had from YouTube, it got like inactive and she lost all the money due to her inactivity on YouTube? She shared me all this information yesterday and I was very sad to know about that. Yeah, I also heard the same from her. It's just a very bad phase of her life. Gomu, it's raining outside. Shall we go in the rain? Because if we enjoy seeing both of us enjoying, she will also feel happy. Chalo, let's go outside and enjoy in the rain.
One eternity later.
Are, what are you watching, Peachu? I am watching you. You are mine, so I am watching you. Why can't I have a look at you? Finally, she got to sleep. Don't worry, Peachu, even if I go far from you, but I will always be yours. If you like watching us, please like, share and